In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the OpenArt.ai internal server error step by step. This error can appear when you're trying to generate an image, upload a reference image, or use another OpenArt feature, and it may be caused by corrupted browser files, blocked requests, outdated cookies, image dimensions, or a VPN connection. We'll start with the quickest fixes and then move on to the settings that are more likely to solve persistent server errors. If this guide helps you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more practical software troubleshooting tutorials. Let's get started. First, perform a hard cache refresh while you're on the OpenArt tab where the internal server error appears. On Windows, press Ctrl and F5 at the same time. On a Mac, press Command, Shift, and R. This forces your browser to download the latest OpenArt website files instead of loading potentially corrupted or outdated files from the browser cache. After the refresh finishes, wait a few seconds for OpenArt to load completely, then try the same prompt or generation again. If the error was caused by a temporary cached file, this may fix the problem immediately. If the hard refresh does not work, the next step is to isolate your browser extensions by using an incognito or private window. In Chrome or Microsoft Edge, press Ctrl, Shift, and in Firefox, press Command, Shift, and P on Mac, or use the private browsing option from the browser menu. Once the private window opens, go directly to OpenArt.ai and log back into your account. Then test the prompt, image upload, or a generation that previously produced the error. This test is useful because private browsing usually disables many extensions by default. An ad blocker, privacy tool, translator, script blocker, or security extension could be preventing OpenArt from completing its server request. If OpenArt works correctly in the private window, return to your normal browser window and temporarily disable extensions one at a time. Start with ad blockers, privacy extensions, VPN browser add-ons, and translation tools. After disabling each extension, reload OpenArt and test again so you can identify which extension is causing the conflict. The third fix is to clear OpenArt's site-specific cookies and stored data. This removes data for OpenArt without clearing cookies for every website you use. First, open the OpenArt page in your browser, then click the padlock icon or the tune and site settings icon on the far left of the address bar. Look for an option such as Cookies and Site Data. Select Manage Cookies and Site Data, then review the data listed for OpenArt. Delete all of the OpenArt site data, close the settings window, and reload the page. Because clearing site data signs you out, log back into your OpenArt's account after the page reloads. Then try the same action again. This can resolve problems caused by expired login sessions, corrupted cookies, or saved site settings that are no longer compatible with the current version of OpenArt. If you use more than one OpenArt tab, close the extra tabs first and keep only one fresh tab open while testing. Next, verify the dimensions of any image you're uploading. OpenArt may return an internal server error when an input image is too small, particularly when the image is below 300 pixels by 300 pixels. Before uploading the file, locate it in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on Mac. On Windows, right-click the image, select Properties, and open the Details tab. Check the image dimensions and confirm that both the width and height are greater than 300 pixels. On a Mac, right-click the file and select Get Info, then check the image information. If either dimension is too small, use an image editor or image resizing tool to create a larger version and save it as a common format such as PNG or JPEG. Then return to OpenArt and upload the updated file. Also check that the image opens normally on your computer and is not damaged. If possible, test with a different image that is clearly larger than 300 by 300 pixels. This helps determine whether the problem is related to the specific input file rather than your account or browser. Finally, disable any active VPN before testing OpenArt again. VPNs can sometimes route traffic through a location or server that OpenArt temporarily restricts, or they can interfere with authentication and image generation requests. Turn off the VPN completely, refresh OpenArt, and try the generation again. If OpenArt works with the VPN disabled, the VPN connection is likely contributing to the problem. You can try a different VPN server, change the connection region, or add OpenArt to the VPN's allowed applications if that option is available. At this point, you should have tried a hard cache refresh, private browsing, extension isolation, site-specific data removal, image dimension verification, and VPN troubleshooting. If the internal server error still appears after all of these steps, test OpenArt in another browser or on another network, such as a mobile hotspot. This helps identify whether the issue is limited to your browser, network, or current device. Also check whether OpenArt is experiencing a temporary service outage and wait a short time before trying again if the problem appears to be affecting many users. To quickly recap, press Ctrl and F5 on Windows or Command Shift and R on Mac to refresh OpenArt completely. Test the site in an incognito or private window to check for extension conflicts. Clear OpenArt's own cookies and site data, verify that uploaded images are larger than 300 by 300 pixels, and disable your VPN before testing again. These fixes address the most common local causes of an OpenArt.ai internal server error. If this tutorial solved the problem, please like the video and subscribe for more OpenArt, AI tools, browser, and software troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.